A military offensive to end the Islamic State's occupation of the Iraqi city of Fallujah has begun. Prime Minister Xaydar al-Abadi announced on early Monday, more than 2 years after militants seized the city. Al-Abadi, speaking in an address broadcast on state television just after midnight, said the operation to liberate Fallujah had begun. Fallujah is located about 34 miles west of the capital of Baghdad. It was the first city to fall to ISIS in January of 2014. At the time, the group was still known as an Al-Qaeda splinter group and had not yet declared itself a caliphate. Recapturing Fallujah would mark a significant victory in the fight against the Islamic State group, which has since seized large areas of territory in Iraq, Syria, and Libya. The Iraqi army, police, and Iranian-backed militias had surrounded Fallujah in anticipation of the offensive, which will be assisted by coalition airstrikes.